Oh, I think so. We can do that. Come and book
What are we
it.
doing?
Wait, they're practicing their English.
Because I have duty for my teacher, we have to make the conversation.
Okay.
Like video, we have to take a English certificate and we have to get a good value on English certificate.
Okay.
Can I know please how long have you been?
2 days.
No, to this.
Yep.
I've just stayed in the shade, this is too hot.
2 days.
2 days.
So, or how long will you be here?
1 week.
1 week.
Yep.
So, do you interest about Bali Island?
Are we interested in the island?
Yeah. So how
Yeah.
do you think about Bali Island?
We quite like it. We like the monkeys. We're just here to see the monkeys, really. I'm not sure if they're going to bite us, but
So where do you know about Bali Island?
what do we know?
Yeah, where do you know about Bali Island?
We only know about Uluwatu. Is it
Uluwatu.
Uluwatu? I could get that.
Ah.
Yeah, that's all we know.
We've been to Kuta.
Yep. And
We've
we're
been
going.
to Si Monyet. We're going to come in.
So how many times have you come here?
I've
This is
been
my
here
first time.
8 times.
Yeah, this is the first time.
No, 8.
Eight time. Oh.
Yeah, I've been here once.
That's my phone. That's my phone.
Shit.
Daniel.
Oh.
Can we get that on that one?
Let's get it.
Holy shit, Daniel.
It's alright. Just we'll give him a biscuit and he'll give it back.
Whoa.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Teeth on that thing.
Ah, yes.
Daniel.
Give him another thing. Give him another.
Give another thing.
Oh my god.
Babe, just calm down, we'll get it back.